Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Wear gloves and eye protection before starting to work near the radiator support. Pop the hood release inside the cabin to free any slack in the cable. Gather a long screwdriver, a wire coat hanger bent with a 90-degree tip, a flashlight, and a 10 mm socket before attempting access. Disconnect the battery negative terminal if you will work inside the grille or under the hood to avoid electrical shorts or fan activation. With the engine off, stand in front of the car and shine a flashlight through the grille to locate the primary latch centered behind the VW emblem. Reach through the grille with a hooked wire or long screwdriver and push the secondary release lever inward while pulling the primary latch toward you about 3.5 inches. This combination frees the hood from the catch. If you cannot reach with your fingers, use the hooked coat hanger to engage the latch and pull steadily until you hear the hood pop free, preventing sudden jerks. If grille access fails, turn the front wheels fully to the passenger side and remove two 8 mm screws securing the wheel arch splash shield. Flex the shield to create a 3 to 4 inch working gap. Reach up to the latch assembly and depress the secondary release while pulling the main latch free. If the latch is broken, plan to replace it immediately. Parts cost about 5 to 0 and installation takes 20 to 40 minutes. After opening, support the bonnet with a prop and test the new latch 3 times before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.